Namaste students, today I am going to teach you subject Mathematics 2, part 2. We will study the next part of chapter 1, Similarity. Here, let us learn theorem of area of similar triangles. Here, the statement, when two triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of those triangles in is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. This is our statement. See this figure. What is given to us? Here given triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. This triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR and AD perpendicular to BC. This AD is perpendicular to BC and PS is perpendicular to QR. To prove area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square divided by PQ square is equal to BC square divided by QR square is equal to AC square divided by PR square. Proof: area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to BC multiplied by AD divided by QR multiplied by PS. Both triangle have different height and different bases, and therefore BC multiplied by AD divided by QR multiplied by PS. This is a statement number 1. In triangle ABD and triangle PQS, ABD and PQS, angle B is equal to angle Q. This angle B is equal to angle Q, that is given. Angle ADB, this angle ADB is equal to angle PSQ. This angle PSQ is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQS. This ABD, this triangle, and PQS, this triangle are similar by AA similarity test, and therefore their corresponding sides are in proportion. AD divided by PS is equal to AB divided by PQ. AD divided by PS is equal to AB divided by PQ. Corresponding sides of two similar triangles. But triangle ABC, this triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, that is given. Therefore, AB divided by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR is equal to AC divided by PR. This is statement number 3. From 1, 2 and 3. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to BC multiplied by AD divided by QR multiplied by PS. This is here BC divided by QR remain as it is, but this BC divided by QR is equal to AD divided by PS is equal to BC divided by QR, and therefore BC square divided by QR square is equal to AB square divided by PQ square is equal to AC square divided by PR square. Examples. Example number 1. The ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles is 3 to 5. Then find ratio of their areas. Solution. Assume that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC is a smaller and triangle PQR is bigger triangle. Therefore, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square divided by PQ square. We know the theorem of area of similar triangles. Now putting the values, or first we have to write here area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to, in bracket, AB divided by PQ, bracket complete bracket square. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to 3 by 5 bracket square. Therefore, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to 9 divided by 25. Square of 3 is a 9, the square of 5 is a 25. 2. Triangle LMN is similar to triangle PQR. 9 multiplied by area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 multiplied by area of triangle LMN. If QR is equal to 20, then find MN. Solution. Here triangle LMN is a similar to triangle PQR, that is given. 9 times area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 multiplied by area of triangle LMN, that is given. Area of triangle PQR, this area of triangle PQR divided by area of triangle LMN, changing the side of this area of triangle LMN and 9, therefore is equal to 16 divided by 9. This is statement number 1. Area of triangle PQR divided by area of triangle LMN is equal to PQ square divided by LM square is equal to QR square divided by MN square is equal to PR square divided by LN square. This is a statement number 2. Therefore, QR square divided by MN square is equal to 16 divided by 9. Taking square root of both sides, QR divided by MN is equal to 4 divided by 3. Now, therefore, 20 divided by MN is equal to 4 divided by 3. Therefore, MN is equal to 20 multiplied by 3 divided by 4. And therefore, MN is equal to 50. Next here, example number 3. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangles. If area of triangle ABC 2, area of triangle DEF is equal to 1 to 2 and AB is equal to 4, find DE. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangles. 2. Angle ABC is congruent to angle DEF. Measures of each angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Angle ACB is congruent to angle DFE. Measure of each angles of equilateral angle is 60 degree. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, a similarity test. Therefore, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to AB square divided by DE square. Theorem of area of similar triangles. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to AB divided by DE bracket square. Here we know the value of this area of triangle ABC to area of triangle DEF is equal to 1 divided by 2. Putting value here, 1 divided by 2 is equal to 4 divided by DE bracket square. Therefore, 1 by 2 is equal to 4 square divided by DE square. Therefore, DE square is equal to 4 square multiplied by 2. DE is equal to, taking square root of both sides, 4 in square root 2. Thanks for watching this video.